Hi guys, good morning. This is Mark aka Brick C. Today we're starting my fire station collection. I bought some sets. So they are set 60280, the old fire station, fire engine, and a couple of figures. Quite nice. We've got 77943, which is a little tiny bit of a building, vehicle and some figures. So that's cool. We've got a plane scene, putting out some fires, a couple of figures, and a water cannon. So that's going to be quite cool. And that is set 60217. And we've got 60281, another little play set. I wanted it for the helicopter mainly, and the bike, and so that'll be good. And the last one, never seen, with another fire engine, so, and a couple more figures. So, and that is set 60214. So, I don't normally do this. I've opened all five boxes. Put it all in here, and all the little bits in here. So I'm going to start by sorting out all the little pieces. I've got a little tin from the little figures. So how is everybody? We've got a nice day off. So this is what I'm up to. Looks like some figures. Okay. These are all the little fiddly little pieces in here. We've got all the helmets, the accessories. So start putting the yellow bits in there. Yeah, I wanted I haven't got any fire station-y bits in this city, so I haven't actually got a city yet. It's just in the spare room, and I'm going to get a few more tables and then start with moving it all around and starting from the beginning again. Because there's no order in there really. I've got the train track down and some roads, Hogwarts, but there's no order to it really. And my niece said to me the other day, she said, "You haven't got no houses or or shops or anything." And I haven't actually. I've only got trains and an airport bits, a police station. So yeah. So I thought I would start with my fire station bits. Helmet there. Hope everybody is well. I'm jolly good. Like I say, I'm on a day off, so it's quite nice. Axe. Any clear pieces. I normally just do set by set, but I thought as it's a lot of it's red, I thought, well, I'll just put it all together. I'll have to get around to reading the comments. If there's any comments on the videos, answer some questions. If you've got any questions, guys, I will try and find out if I don't know the answer. If you want to know what base plates I use, what track I use, and I'm on the new road plate system, which in the UK are about £17 a box. But I was watching a YouTuber yesterday, and then he's in the States, and he said they were about $11 on at Walmart and Target. We've only got Asda, which used to be Walmart. But yeah, so we'll have to have a look see if there's some more bargains. Okay, that looks like a hairpiece. Another hairpiece. Okay. Couple of axes. Couple of axes. Those obviously fire pieces. Okay. So I've got 4 lots of stickers. So they're all there. A mountain of manuals to do. Okay. So let's sort of bit this out first of all. All the large red pieces as well. All base plate bits. So I could have done with another table, really. Right, where do you begin? Okay, this might take a little wee while. Let's start with the first fire engine. Yeah, figures are not going to be happening yet. Okay, this is quite an easy start. It's got a good base already built. So on the 4 yellow. Okay. 2 blue. Okay. Okay. And the little strip lights with arrows on. Dark grey bit with bodies and arms. See a bit better. Oh, there it is. Like it, but it's not it. There it is. Okay. Okay. Two little grey doors. These ones. What everybody's up to today. Everybody's staying safe and working, and if you're not working, hope you're enjoying yourself and spending your time doing something you enjoy, like me. Okay, so a little cupboard that goes on back here. So, and another one, two grey doors. There we go. So where's that door go? Oh, over here. A big compartment. Okay. So what it's saying, to clear the flat mix. There's one, there's two, and black, red, flat piece with I'll just straight away look. Okay. So this is an 8 width car, so be careful of it, so it'll fit on my roads. So coming along. But I've got quite a few of the Speed Champions, and they're a lot of 8 wide and 6 wide, so we will see. 2 plus 6. There we go. Another black radiator. Blue seat and a white steering wheel. Going on there, and does that go on there? 2x3. Two 3 slopes. Two blue pieces. Like so, coming together. So 2 panels red. Somebody's messaging me. Somebody commenting on the pictures. This has got the burger fire set. It's a good set, so we'll see. So I need a couple of there we are. So, 2 windows. That piece is, and 2 windows. And then 2x6. There. 1x4 flat piece. Do I need 2 of them? Yes, I do. 1x4 and a blue one. 2 black pieces with there's one. So it's not too bad sorting out the little pieces. Well, I haven't sorted them out, I've just put them in all the little pieces together. So it's kind of easier to find. Tile pieces. It probably won't be in here. No. 2 dark grey. Okay, wonder if they're black. They don't look black. I've got 2. That's because they're here. Dark grey. Put them in there because I don't need them quite yet. So, this is light grey or dark grey? That's light grey. So, it's a square piece with little there it is. One by 4 black. Her legs, we're finding all the minifigure bits, so it's good. There it is. It goes on there. Ladder. Goes there. White piece. There we go. Secures that. Place there. Piece. Yeah, that connects. I've got some more pieces of fire engine, so I might be able to connect another ladder, an extending ladder to that. Okay, so we want a little dark grey little hook thing. Definitely dark grey. Spanner. There it is. And it holds a big flame. A big. That's it. Okay, wheels. Shooting a piece, some water out there. I would imagine there would be a pipe for the water. Right, wheels. So we want grey white inserts. These white inserts. Grey ones too. No, they're definitely those ones. And 4 wheels. Wheels together. Okay. Wheels. A big pile of them. Okay, which ones do I need? Okay. Those ones. Looks like those ones. Could be the bigger ones actually. Let's have a go. There we go. Have the first vehicle done. That's really cool. Book 1 done. Okay, number 2. A little one. Another vehicle. 2 brown. One, 2, and 2. Of those. set that wood on fire. So we want a dark grey 4x4. There he is. Tie up. Okay, we have a red cylinder. Red. Round one. There we go. So if you're building something, well, what are you building? Put it in the comments. Please like the video, that would be grand help. Subscribe even better, but my subscribers will be watching this, so you won't need to subscribe. So, but when I do my live ones, that'll be cool, and I'll probably do the live ones when I start the city. It's not by the looks of it. Already the pieces are going down. So, oh, it's like a fire hydrant. Dark grey megaphone. Where are you? Dark grey megaphone. You'll be in here, you'll be in the small pieces. Dark grey. Helm, visors. Come on, megaphone, where are you? Might be in here after all. There you are. And a small piece of blue. all the little see-through blue pieces, so I must have a small flame piece in here. Oh, it's definitely blue. Don't. Give me a small one. Not a big one like that. There you are. Very hard to see. So that goes in there. And then we want a pole. That kind of pole? No. That kind of bendy one. That goes on so. And then that goes on there. Okay, so there's water coming out from the fire hydrant. Can go over there with those. Yellow stuff. Two brown, two small brown, and two long brown. All the same colour. No, that's slightly darker. Cool. This goes on here. So a yellow one and a yellow tap. There we go. You see that? There. And that's it. Okay, so that looks grey bits. Looks like a pile on fire in there, so that's cool. Okay, so on that note, 1 and 2 done. I'm going to call it a time, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys for watching, and yeah, see you on the next one. Cheers for now.